Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. Hope you're all fine and enjoying your classes. English Grammar Basics Part 10. We were discussing the parts of speech and we have already discussed noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb and preposition, and today we are going to discuss the conjunction and the interjection. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. In simple words you can say joining words. Conjunctions join words, phrases or clauses. Words, phrases or clauses. For example, he and I are friends. He and I are friends. Here there are two words, he and I. These are the two words here, and the conjunction is and. This conjunction joins he and I. Full sentence: I like fruits and vegetables. Here there are two things which have been joined by the conjunction and. Here the two things are fruits and vegetables. You can add two or more things using conjunctions, and for showing similarity you use and, but showing contradiction or to say about opposite things you use but. He is poor but intelligent. But, alright, he is old but strong. Look at the sentence. He is old but strong. Normally an old person, old man or old woman is weak, not strong. Here but is the conjunction. The word but joins old and strong. These are the two things, two qualities. One is an adverse quality and the second one is a positive or favorable quality. One adverse quality and a favorable quality, two opposite things have been joined using but. When you want to say or when you want to combine two opposite things, you use but two similar things use and two opposite things you use but. Alright, it's raining. It is raining but we will go out. It is raining but we will go out. Here there are two things. One is raining and the other one is going out. Alright, so when it is raining, when it rains, usually people don't want to go out. But here, though it is raining, even if it is raining, we will be going out. Two opposite things. Though it is raining, we are going out. So we have used but here to join these two things, opposite things. Okay, so that's conjunction. There are many other conjunction and, but, while, because, as well as, in spite of, despite of, though, even though, or else, otherwise. All these are conjunctions. Okay, now come to interjection. What are interjection? Interjection shows sudden expression to show our sudden emotions and feelings. Interjections are words which we utter to show our sudden feelings or emotion. All right, one second. Interjections express our sudden feelings or emotions. When it hurts, then you say, "Oh, this word, oh, has come out, uttered suddenly, without any expectation." So, no interjection is expressed knowingly or deliberately or in advance, thinking in advance. It is a sudden outburst of our emotions. An interjection, a word of interjection is the sudden outburst of our feeling of pain, feeling of pleasure, feeling of sorrow, feeling of excitement. All these are the words which express interjection, which are interjections, which these words are interjections to express your sudden feelings. Oh, ah, wow, hooray, alas. All these are sudden expressions to show your sudden feelings. Okay, and that's all about the parts of speech. By heart it, memorize it. Noun, pronoun, adjective. These three words are related, so say it at a stretch. Think it, think of them at a stretch. Noun, pronoun, adjective. Say it in this way, or utter this, or learn it, or memorize it in this way. Noun, pronoun, adjective, and verb and adverb. These are related words. So 3 plus 2, verb, adverb. Then these are single. There is no relation between a preposition or conjunction and interjection. There is no relation between preposition and conjunction, or conjunction and interjection, or any of this. There is no mutual relation. So they are singled out. Okay. So you have to learn it in this way: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. All right. That's all for today. Thank you. And we'll be discussing some other topic, also revising this topic in the next class. All right. Thank you so much.